Africa is not just a continent. It's a living masterpiece, a place where ancient deserts meet futuristic skylines, where warm oceans crash against modern glass towers, and where cities pulse with a vibrant energy found nowhere else on Earth. Today we count down 15 of the most breathtaking cities in Africa, places where culture, beauty, architecture, and innovation collide. Before we begin, like, subscribe, and join us on this cinematic journey across a continent the world still doesn't fully understand. Let's begin. Number 15, Lagos, Nigeria. Lagos is not just a city, it's a force of nature. A city that never sleeps, never slows, and never stops surprising you. From the luxury high-rises of Victoria Island to the palm-fringed shores of Tarkwa Bay, Lagos blends modern beauty with raw cultural fire. The Lekki Ikoyi Bridge glows with neon lights at night, while bustling markets, art centers, and Africa's most influential music scene fill the streets with rhythm. Lagos is bold, creative, chaotic, and absolutely unforgettable. A city that grabs you and pulls you into its story. Number 14, Lusaka, Zambia. Lusaka is often overlooked, but travelers who visit are stunned by its calm beauty. This city is spacious, green, peaceful, and incredibly clean. Wide, tree-lined roads connect modern malls, diplomatic districts, luxury hotels, and new glass buildings rising across the skyline. Lusaka is surrounded by rolling hills and wildlife parks, giving it a special harmony between nature and modern life. At sunset, the sky burns orange behind the city's rooftops, and suddenly, you realize Lusaka is one of Africa's most underrated gems. Number 13, Kigali, Rwanda. Kigali feels like a city built on harmony. Beautiful green hills roll gently in every direction, dotted with modern neighborhoods, spotless streets, and stunning architecture. The Kigali Convention Center glows like a futuristic beacon at night, and Rwanda's reputation for cleanliness and safety gives the city a peaceful, almost serene atmosphere. Coffee shops, art galleries, botanical gardens, and innovative tech hubs show Kigali's fresh energy. It's calm, organized, and deeply beautiful. Number 12, Windhoek, Namibia. Windhoek is a cinematic surprise. Imagine a city surrounded by endless desert mountains, glowing in shades of gold and red during sunset. The architecture blends old German charm with modern African design, creating a visual story unlike anywhere else. Wide boulevards, peaceful neighborhoods, and crisp desert air make Windhoek feel like a city carved out of a dream. Number 11, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Addis Ababa is a city of history, power, and immense cultural pride. Sitting 2,355 meters above sea level, the air is cool and crisp, and the city stretches across misty highland hills. Addis is the diplomatic heart of Africa, home to the African Union headquarters, grand boulevards, and monumental structures. Yet the city still feels deeply Ethiopian, with traditional coffee ceremonies, bustling markets, and the scent of roasted beans filling the air. Number 10. Dakar, Senegal. Dakar sits boldly on the westernmost edge of Africa, where dramatic black cliffs meet the roaring Atlantic Ocean. Colorful fishing villages, French-inspired boulevards, stylish cafes, and modern buildings give the city a bright, lively personality. The African Renaissance Monument towers above Dakar like a guardian, watching over a city bursting with music, culture, fashion, and energy. Number 9. Accra, Ghana. Warm, hospitable, and full of life, Accra feels like a celebration. Golden beaches stretch along the coastline, while modern resorts, high-end restaurants, and art districts light up the city. The nightlife in Accra is legendary, the food unforgettable, and the culture deeply rooted in Ghanaian tradition. Accra is a city where you instantly feel at home. Number 8. Tunis, Tunisia. Tunis is one of the most visually stunning cities in North Africa, mixing Mediterranean charm with Arab architecture and French influence. White and blue houses hang on cliffs overlooking the sea in Sidi Bou Said, while the ruins of ancient Carthage whisper stories of empires long gone. The old Medina of Tunis is a maze of beauty, filled with markets, spices, mosaics, and history in every step. Number 7. Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Dar es Salaam blends tropical beauty with modern growth. Palm trees line long stretches of sandy beaches, while glass skyscrapers shimmer under the sun. Ferries glide across turquoise waters on their way to Zanzibar, giving the city a holiday-like atmosphere. Warm, relaxed, and colorful, Dar is a city for the soul. Number 6. Nairobi, Kenya. Nairobi is Africa's most unique capital, a place where wildlife and skyscrapers exist side by side. The skyline stands tall against a backdrop of acacia trees, while just minutes away, lions, zebras, and giraffes roam freely in Nairobi National Park. The city is packed with culture, international cuisine, nightlife, tech innovation, and nature, all woven together perfectly. Number 5. Algiers, Algeria. Rising above the Mediterranean Sea, Algiers glows under the sunlight with its signature white facades. French colonial boulevards sweep through the city, while ancient stairways climb up toward the historic Casbah. Palm-lined waterfronts, elegant architecture, and seaside views give Algiers a timeless cinematic presence, elegant, grand, and unforgettable. Number 4. Abidjan, Ivory Coast. Abidjan shines with a futuristic skyline, glass towers reflecting the blue lagoon waters below. Bridges connect the city's islands and districts like a web of modern engineering, creating one of the most visually stunning capitals in Africa. Chic cafes, luxury malls, art districts, and a vibrant nightlife scene make Abidjan feel effortlessly cosmopolitan. Number 3. Marrakech, Morocco. Marrakech feels like stepping into a mystical storybook. The sun paints every wall in shades of red and gold. The Medina is a living maze of markets, spices, crafts, snake charmers, storytellers, and ancient palaces. Luxury riads, gardens, and desert landscapes surround the city with an exotic glow. This is one of the most atmospheric cities on Earth. Number 2. Cape Town, South Africa. Cape Town is a world wonder, a city wrapped in natural beauty so stunning it feels unreal. Table Mountain rises dramatically above white sand beaches and turquoise water. Colorful hillside neighborhoods, vineyards, and scenic coastal roads make Cape Town look like a dream carved into reality. It is one of the most beautiful cities ever built, anywhere. Number 1. Casablanca, Morocco. Casablanca earns the number 1 spot for a reason. It is Africa's most visually striking modern city. Towering skyscrapers, luxury boulevards, palm-lined streets, and futuristic developments dominate the skyline. The Hasai II Mosque, one of the largest and most beautiful mosques in the world, stands on the edge of the ocean like a sculpture carved from heaven. Casablanca is elegance, ambition, modernity, and Moroccan soul woven into one. B. Africa is rising, evolving, shining. These cities are more than destinations. They are living stories, full of passion, culture, and breathtaking beauty. If this journey inspired you, make sure to like, subscribe, and tell us which city you want to see next. Your support helps us create more powerful 4K travel documentaries. Until next time, keep exploring.